Welcome to the world of generative AI. Woodpecker offers you a horizon of endless possibilities, transforming data interaction with human-like responses. Struggling with delays in accessing client data? To take on this challenge, organizations need quick, accurate data retrieval with no technical hassles. Meet Woodpecker's on-premise AI model powered by Llama and Mistral. Ask questions in natural language, no tech skills required. Generative AI converts your queries into SQL, fetching data accurately. Why local LLMs? Enjoy running models on site with data privacy, reduced implementation cost. Establish a data hierarchy where each vertical has its own securely protected data. Seamless data interaction. Connect effortlessly with SaaS via for and any database. From local LLM setup to data visualization, discover it all. On-premise local LLM setup. Integration with any application. Database connectivity. Data querying with Gen AI. Stunning graphic visualization. Transform your decision-making with Woodpecker Analytics and Services. Empower your data journey with us. Woodpecker Analytics and Services innovate, integrate, inspire.